14 tiny electric vehicles that will replace your car in 2026. What if I told you your next car has no doors, no parking fees, no insurance headaches, and fits in your elevator? In 2026, tiny electric vehicles aren't just a trend, they're a full-on movement. And some of these things will genuinely make you question why you're still paying for a car. Let's count them down. Hey, welcome back to Talking Gadget. I'm your host, and today we are going for something completely different. Something small, compact, micro. We're talking electric vehicles so tiny, so clever, so absurdly capable that they are legitimately threatening the traditional car. From commuters to thrill seekers to people who are just sick of traffic, there's something on this list for everyone. 14 picks. Let's go. Number 14. Segway Ninebot S Max. Let's ease in with a classic reimagined. The Segway S Max is a self-balancing scooter, but grown up. It hits 12.5 miles per hour, runs 15 miles on a charge, and has a built-in speaker and LED lighting. It's the one you've seen security guards riding in airports, except now it's yours. Great for flat campuses, warehouses, or just flexing on your neighbors. Number 13. HoverOne Altis Electric Hoverboard. Yes, hoverboards are still alive, and they're better than ever. The Altis does 8 miles per hour with self-balancing tech, weighs under 20 pounds, and charges in about 3 hours. It's the entry point for anyone who wants to feel like they're floating to the coffee shop. Compact, simple, and honestly kind of fun at any age. Number 12. Unagi Model 1 E500. Now we're talking premium. The Unagi Model 1 is hands down one of the most beautiful electric scooters ever made. Dual 250-watt motors, carbon fiber deck, 15.5 miles per hour top speed, and it weighs just 26 pounds. You can carry this thing with one hand. The design is so clean, people on the street will ask you what it is. If your commute is urban and short, this is the scooter. Number 11. Kiwano KO1 Plus Electric Unicycle Scooter. Okay, switching lanes, literally. The Kiwano KO1 Plus sits somewhere between a unicycle and a scooter, and it is wildly fun. One big wheel in the center, 2 foot pads, and self-balancing tech that keeps you upright. 15 miles per hour, 10-mile range, and it folds flat in seconds. Yes, there is a learning curve. No, you won't care once you've got it. Number 10. Swagtron EB5 Pro Electric Bike. The EB5 Pro is a folding electric bike, and it folds small. Like, take it on a train small. 15.5 miles per hour, 15-mile range, and a frame that collapses down to luggage size in under 10 seconds. It has a pedal assist mode if you want the exercise, or full electric if you don't. Under $500. That is an absolutely ridiculous value. Number 9. X-Bus by Electric Brands. The X-Bus from German startup Electric Brands is one of the most unusual vehicles on this list, and that's saying something. It's a fully modular electric platform. Swap the body configuration and it becomes a delivery van, a camper, a pickup flatbed, or a passenger pod. Under 4 meters long, 45 miles per hour top speed, and up to 186 miles of range depending on the module. It's road legal in Europe as a light electric vehicle. Production is underway, and it looks like a designer refrigerator that somehow got a motor. We are absolutely here for it. Number 8. Vanderhall Venice. 3 wheels, open air, full road legal status. The Vanderhall Venice is what the Arcimoto FUV promised to be, but actually delivers. Made in Provo, Utah, it's powered by a turbocharged engine with an available electric assist version, hits 60 miles per hour in about 4 seconds, and has a cockpit that makes you feel like you're in a miniature race car. 2 seats, a proper windshield, and an aggressive low stance. Number 7. Cabo Wolf King GT Pro. Back to scooters, but we're not playing around anymore. The Cabo Wolf King GT Pro runs dual 1,500 watt motors for 3,000 watts combined, hits 62 miles per hour, and has a hydraulic suspension setup that laughs at potholes. Range up to 93 miles. It weighs 101 pounds, so it's not a walk in the park to carry, but if your commute is longer and your roads aren't perfect, this is the scooter. Full hydraulic disc brakes, bright LED lighting, and a stance that looks genuinely intimidating. This is the scooter equivalent of a superbike. Number 6. Honda Moto Compacto. Honda is back with something iconic. The Moto Compacto is an electric scooter that folds into the size of a briefcase. Flat, completely flat. You slide it into your trunk, your office, your apartment closet. 15 miles per hour, a 12-mile range, and branding that screams retro future. Honda sold out of these within days of launch, and for good reason. This is a statement piece that actually works. Number 5. InMotion V14 Adventurer. Forget handlebars. The InMotion V14 Adventurer is an electric unicycle. And yes, it absolutely counts. One wheel, no handlebars, no seat. Just you, gyroscopes, and 3,600 watt-hours of pure self-balancing energy. Top speed, 50 miles per hour. Range, up to 100 miles. Torque that will yeet you forward if you're not paying attention. It sounds insane, and it is, but there's a whole community of riders who commute on these daily, and once you learn it, you look like you're floating. Terrifying, incredible. Moving on. Number 4. Citroën Ami. The Citroën Ami is the car that broke the internet, in the best way. It's a 2-seat, fully enclosed electric microcar that tops out at 28 miles per hour, qualifies as a light quadricycle in Europe, and can be driven in many countries without a full driving license. It's about 2.4 meters long, charges from a standard household outlet in 3 hours, and costs around 8,000 euros to buy. In some cities, you can rent it by the minute. Yes, the doors open backwards on purpose. Yes, it looks like a toy. No, we don't care. It's practical, adorable, and genuinely changing how people move through cities. Available now. Buy one. Number 3. Zoox Autonomous EV Pod. Amazon-backed Zoox has built something that doesn't just challenge cars, it reinvents the concept entirely. No steering wheel, no front or back. 4-way travel, fully autonomous, and designed to summon via app. It's currently operating as a rideshare in limited US cities, with broader rollout planned for 2026. You don't own it, you call it, and that might actually be smarter. Number 2. Podbike Frikar. Norway gave us the fjords. Now they've given us the Frikar. The Podbike Frikar is an enclosed, human-electric hybrid, 4 wheels, full weatherproof body, heated cabin, and both pedal assist and pure electric modes. It's somewhere between a cargo bike and a microcar, with a range of up to 37 miles in pure electric. It fits in bike lanes in many European cities, has front and rear storage, and looks like a pod you'd see in a 2080s city planning video. This is the car replacement for people who still want the health benefits of cycling, just, without arriving to work completely drenched. Number 1. Micro Mobility Microlino. Number 1. The one that actually might replace your car. The Microlino is a bubble car revival inspired by the classic 1950s Isetta, reimagined for 2026. The door is at the front. You step in, it closes around you. 56 miles per hour top speed, up to 143 miles of range on the top spec model, 2 seats, a cargo shelf, and a footprint smaller than a golf cart. It passed Euro NCAP safety tests. It has a heater. It fits in half a parking space. Switzerland designed, Italian built, and rolling out across Europe and North America right now. This is not a concept. This is not a prototype. The Microlino is here, and it is adorable and deadly serious at the same time. 14 tiny EVs. From $300 hoverboards to $20,000 microcars, the era of the giant gas guzzler is quietly, slowly, inevitably ending. Which one would you actually drive? Drop it in the comments. I want to know. If you're new here, subscribe. We cover the gadgets, vehicles, and tech that are actually changing how you live. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.